Okay, I forgot one thing. This is our medley of basil. It's very beautiful. First picking, we've got actually a little plant in this bundle of basil. So the Thai basil is the one that has a dark stem, and it has kind of a licoricey anise flavor. And that is a wonderful, wonderful Thai basil beef seasoning. So look up a recipe for that. It uses peppers, so it's a good way to use the peppers and onions from your box. So you can make a Thai basil beef with that basil. Then we have a lemon basil, which is the light colored one here. That one is really delicious in that tom yum soup. I will be honest, I created this tom yum soup with very low expectations. Did not really write anything down. It turned out wonderful. So basically, it was a chicken stock, and I created that using a Jewel brand Thai soup stock that they sell in the little cartons in the stock section. So I put in a chicken carcass with the stock. Then I strained that out after it cooked all day, and I added in some cut leeks or onions, some pak choy or Swiss chard, or any green like that. Then I also added in some Korean dumplings that I bought in the freezer section, and a package of ramen noodles, not the seasoning, just the ramen noodles. Then I also added about 1 lime's worth of juice, squeezed that in there. I added some soy sauce, I added some garlic and some chili flakes. It'd be really good if you had like some Thai chili paste, but I didn't have any of that. And then I added in some of the lemon basil and some cilantro, and it was so good. Kind of tangy and savory, but definitely look up a recipe for that. But I used the lemon basil in that, and then you can use the purple basil as garnish, or it looks beautiful in a glass of lemonade. It's a wonderful complement, the basil with the lemonade. So that is your little herb bundle this week, and you can try a few of those different ideas. The best way to store these herbs, they're very persnickety. They don't like to be wet. The wet makes the basil turn black. So what I like to do is put a tiny vase. Just make sure the roots only are submersed, and you can put that little vase in your fridge. But definitely use these up promptly within the next couple of days, and that way they'll last a little bit better for you. So they're just so pretty, or you can just put them in a vase and enjoy them, and the smell is so wonderful. So any of those also would make wonderful drink addition if you just crush them and add them to water or lemonade. Just a wonderful addition. So those are the little herbs. Sorry I forgot that, but very delicious little beautiful bundle added to your box this week. Thanks, bye.